Have you ever eaten one of these things? This one happens to be a Cara orange. I really love the flavor of it. It's nice. It's similar to one of those ones from California or one from of course Naval down in Florida. We have these things in the house. The unit mainly have done what everyone else has done, I think. You've gotten to the goodness of it, which is the center, the middle parts, the meaty parts. But have you ever used the outside, the skin? Well, today I tried something different and I made candied orange peels. That's right. You can use the whole orange, and you should. All you have to do is simply take the orange peel, slice it, put it in a pan with some water and a cup of sugar, and you're going to cook that down. And you're going to cook it down until it becomes syrupy, and then you're going to take that out and dust it with sugar. Simple. Let it dry out, and then you have candied orange peels. You can do that with any one of the citruses. Save your orange peels, save your lemon peels if you're not using them for something else. Enjoy.